Welcome to this quick video on updating and changing the margins in Google Documents to make the layout of your document look a lot more appealing, make it standard across everything, and to make sure nothing goes off the end. So standard, when you go onto a Google document, which is just like when you go onto a Microsoft document, you tend to have quite big margins. So you have a lot of space around the outside, which when you PDF something or you print it, means there'll be a lot of white space wasted. Now sometimes that's really useful, but sometimes you just want to squeeze it in so you've got much more space on your document to leave your text, any images or anything else. And you can see on my screen now, I've got an invoice template that I've been working out with. And the margins you can see at the top here and to the left hand side are quite big, therefore the table's actually creeping off the end because the margins are too big for the document that I added. So to update these margins, all I'm going to do is go to File in the top left hand corner, and I'm going to go to Page Setup. And then what you need to look at is the margins on the right hand side. Now I'm set to inches. You can see the paper size there. You may want to change that depending on what your default is. I want A4, and I'm going to change these margins to 0.4. Use my tab to move down. Make it nice and easy. Make them consistent as well. I find that generally I have all my margins, whether it be the top, bottom, left or right, all the same, and it makes my documents look a lot more appealing visually. When I click OK, you can see it's moved it. Now I just need to move Techify down. I put a little logo there at the top. And then if I pull that down, you can see now. You can see that table there. You can see how the space works and the document's a lot better visually. So very quick and easy just to update those margins. Obviously, if I wanted to make them bigger, I could do exactly the same and just increase the size from 1 inch to whatever I wanted to put on there. And you don't have to have all of your margins exactly the same. You can have more space at the top and the bottom, or on the left or the right, whichever works best for you. But just remember, you're going to go to File and you're going to go to Page Setup on Google Docs to make those changes. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.